morning all of you. Today we will discuss about symmetry. A figure or any object is symmetrical about a line if it is identical both sides along the line. This line is called line of symmetry. Suppose we see a daily life example, a leaf. Have you seen a leaf? So in this leaf, this line is called a line of symmetry because both the parts of the leaf along this line are identical. If we will fold this leaf along this line, then both the parts will be overlap each other. So this leaf is called symmetrical figure and this line is called line of symmetry. And the line of symmetry is always denoted by dotted line. So we will discuss the symmetry in the geometrical figure also. Like a square, as we know that all the sides of the square and all the angles of the square are equal. So if we fold the square along this line, the midpoints of its opposite sides, then both the parts are identical. Similarly, if we fold it along this line or along the diagonals, then this square will be symmetrical. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. The midpoint of the line joining the midpoint of the opposite sides and its diagonals. Now the next figure is rectangle. The line joining the midpoints of the opposite sides are the line of symmetry of rectangle. It has only 2 lines of symmetry. Now a rhombus, as we know that a rhombus has all sides are equal. If we fold the rhombus along its diagonals, then both the parts will overlap each other. Both the parts are identical. So a rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry along its diagonals. Now a parallelogram. This parallelogram has no line of symmetry. It has 0 line of symmetry. Now see some more quadrilateral. This is trapezium. Trapezium has no line of symmetry, but isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. Isosceles trapezium means if the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal, the trapezium is said to be isosceles trapezium. So trapezium has no line of symmetry, but the isosceles trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. This is kite in which adjacent sides are equal. So it has only 1 line of symmetry along this diagonal. Now the scalene triangle, it has 3 different sides, so it has no line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle, a triangle has 2 equal sides, then it is said to be isosceles triangle. It has 1 line of symmetry. The angle bisector of the angle between the 2 equal sides is a line of symmetry of isosceles triangle. And equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Like this. Equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry, isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry, and a scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. Now see some more figures. This is circle. Circle is symmetrical about its diameter, and the circle has so many diameters, infinite diameters. So it has infinite number of line of symmetry. The line which passes through the center of the circle is called diameter of the circle. So as we know that a circle has so many diameters, similarly the circle has so many line of symmetry, or we can say infinite line of symmetry. This is semicircle. Semicircle is symmetrical about the perpendicular bisector of this diameter. If we draw the perpendicular bisector of the diameter, then this perpendicular bisector is called the line of symmetry of semicircle. We'll discuss the rotation symmetry in the next video. Goodbye all of you.